It's Christmas Day. We're vacuuming the laundry room. Bring her up! And what did you do on Christmas Day?
Clean the laundry room.
Well, of course. Nobody else cleans it. Everybody leaves it a mess and blames it on somebody else and pees all over the toilet and says it was like that. And yeah, right.
Yeah, I cleaned the bathroom too.
Yeah, well, you're a good woman for cleaning the bathroom. Thank goodness for a good woman. Oh, it's depressing. I have to round up all the Fruit Loops tools and give them back to his girlfriend, fiance. It's depressing. Yeah, it's really depressing. Tool, bucket, and his saw and his drills. It's tough. It's tough. It's battery chargers. Yep, Fruit Loops.